Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the device manager is blocked by administrator, then I have a very unfortunate news for you. You will not be able to fix it if your system is organization managed. In that case, you will have to contact the IT administrator. No one else can help you. But if you got this from a company and now it is owned by you, then you can simply reset your computer. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then you can go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down and select recovery. Click on reset PC. Select remove everything and let it go through. And then select cloud download and then click on next to initiate the repair process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.